In the last video, we learned about radians and how they can be used to measure an angle. And at the end, we found out that 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees. So in this video, we're going to use this fact to find out how we can switch between radians and degrees. So let's take a look at this equation right here. What we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 360 degrees. This leaves us with 2 pi radians over 360 degrees, and that is equal to 1. Or pi radians over 180 degrees equals 1. So how is this useful to us? Let's say we want to find a 45-degree angle in radians. In this case, we can use this equation right here to help us. We know that pi radians over 180 degrees is equal to 1, so if we multiply 45 degrees by pi radians over 180 degrees, then our number won't change because we're basically just multiplying by 1. So if we do this, we get 45 degrees times pi radians over 180 degrees. We cancel these out, and the degrees cancel out as well. We're left with a 4 in the bottom. So 45 degrees is equal to pi over 4 radians. This process is similar to what we do with meters and centimeters. If we want to convert something like 20 centimeters into meters, we'd multiply by 1 meter over 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, so this right here is 1, which means our value isn't changing. But we still end up with meters as our answer, because the centimeters cancel out. We end up with 20 times 1 meter over 100. We get a 5 in the denominator. So we find that 20 centimeters is equal to 1/5 of a meter. But what if we wanted to convert radians into degrees? Let's say we had a pi over 3 radian angle, and we want to convert this into degrees. To do this, we just swap this number right here. We take its reciprocal, and we multiply this number by it. So we'd multiply by 180 degrees over pi radians. In this case, radians are in the denominator, so when we multiply these two numbers, the radians will cancel out and we'll be left with degrees. So let's multiply them. We get pi radians times 180 degrees divided by 3 times pi radians. These cancel out as well, and 180 divided by 3, that's 60. So we get 60 degrees, because as you can see, the degree symbol does not get canceled out. I should put a degree here. So that's how to convert between degrees and radians. Thank you for watching. Bye.